Okay, retards. Okay, first of all, this is my very first YouTube video, and I'm revealing my voice on my very first YouTube video, and I don't know why. But I just want to say you are the retard if you got scammed, not the scammer. Because in that way, you chose to trust that person with the items, which meaning you're the one who is guilty and the retard for choosing to trust that person with the items. And I just hope you learn a lesson and you got scammed. And you might have got scammed by me. Well, oopsies. Guess whose fault it is?